Alright, hello. For those that are having issues with Trust Wallet, so I just want to do this quick tutorial so that you um, find a solution to your registrations, activations, and all other things you want to do on the platform. Okay, so if you have Trust Wallet and you're having issues with it, you will need to copy your um, passphrase from Trust Wallet, because of course you need to import your wallet, the wallet you have funded. I want to assume that you have funded your Trust Wallet. You just need to register. We are finding it hard. Okay, so you go to settings here. As you can see, you click on settings, you go to wallet. You see, I have so many wallets here, of course, but then the one I'm using here is the tutorial wallet. So I'll click on the three dotted line in front of the tutorial wallet here. I'll click on it to show secret phrase. Okay, use your fingerprint or your passcode. On the screen here, you have to agree to some certain things. You click to agree with all of these three instructions here. You continue, and then you can copy your passphrase. You see your passphrase displayed here now, so you can copy. Just write it down in a book. Alright, after you have copied your passphrase, you can just paste it somewhere or write it down in a secret diary that only you can access. Okay, so we have our tutorial wallet passphrase copied and pasted here in this clipboard. So I'm going to arrange that. I'll go back to I'll go to metamask now. I want to assume that you have actually gone to Play Store or App Store to download metamask. When you download metamask and you launch the app on your phone, this is what you see. Okay, you click on get started. You can see there are two options below here. There are two options. One to import using secret recovery phrase, and the other one to create a new wallet. But we are not creating a new wallet because we have a wallet created on Trust Wallet already. We just want to import it on this app because we believe this app will help us to do everything we want to do. So click on import using secret phrase. You read all of these terms that are here and you click on I agree. Okay, now we go back to the passphrase we copied here. So you can just copy it. Okay, copy it from here and then go back to your metamask and then paste it. Okay, you can just paste it. Okay, so after you paste it, you provide a preferred password. So let's use password as the password for this tutorial. Okay, now after we are done that, make sure that your password is strong. This one is saying weak, but just because we are doing a tutorial video, I want to be bothering myself about a lot of security that much. So you can just import. Click on import now. You click on import and then voila, your account has been imported. You can just click on no thanks. Okay, your account has been imported, but on default your metamask will be on the Ethereum blockchain, Ethereum blockchain, and you will need to change it to Polygon blockchain. So you want to click on this Ethereum mainnet. You click on add network. From the list of networks here, you see the list of popular networks. You see Polygon mainnet. Click on Polygon mainnet and then you click on approve. You click on approve. And because everything we are going to be doing on Metaforce is on the Polygon mainnet network, you have to switch to that network. Switch here, click on switch. You switch to that network. So on switching, you will see your Matic, balance displayed here. Okay, you see your Matic balance displayed there. So what you want to do now is you want to add DAI. You want to import DAI token. Okay, so you click on this import. You see this import here, click on it. And then on the search bar, you type DAI. You see this first token here, DAI stable token. You click on it. And then you click on import below here. Import it. And you're done. Okay. So this is how to practically add your how to import the wallet you created on Trust Wallet into the MetaMask wallet. Okay, for your registration on MetaMask, you just click on this menu icon here. You find the browser. You can see the browser here. Find the browser. You copy the link of your sponsor. You go and copy the link of your sponsor. You paste it here and then you load the process. We have the process on how to do your registration, so you can follow that from that video and complete your registration. So that is that about importing your wallet, your existing wallet, into the MetaMask wallet. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel for subsequent videos that will help you in your journey to making money with online opportunities. Thanks for joining us. Cheers and have a great one.